Hello and welcome to this episode of How to Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. I am Lydia, and in this episode I'm going to show you how you can reconnect broken texture links in Blender. Let's get to it. So I have this scene that I created for one of our animation shots, and you see that the textures are looking fine, they're looking okay. So I moved this scene to another location. So let me open that, and now the textures are broken, they're all purple like, and couldn't find all this one. I think these ones are packed. Yeah, the texture is packed, that's why it's still showing. So for those that are not packed, the links are broken, and the fastest way to do this is go to File. This method only works if you know where the files are located, so that your it won't have to search too far. So now I'll just go to external data, find missing files. So by clicking that, I know where my textures are. So I'll just select this folder. There are so many images in this folders, so I'll just select the master texture folders and click on find missing files. So it's going to take a while for Blender to browse through all the images in the folders. So if you have them narrowed down, it won't take too long. See, very fast. Even though I have thousands and thousands of images in that texture folder, it just took just few seconds to locate the images. But the only one missing there is this bag. The bag is still having this strange color. So how do I locate this? I know where this is too. So I'm going to go to File. File, external data, find missing files. Go back to where my file is located, HTT. That's for How to Tutorials. I'll go to Textures, and so these are the images. Find missing files, and that's it. Everything is perfectly back to normal. So if anything is missing, if you know where they are, you can just do that instead of going individually to start looking for the textures, like just clicking on this and start searching all over. You don't have to do that. Just use find missing files. So Blender will do the hard work, the heavy lifting for you. So that's it for this video. Very fast, very easy, very simple. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you've gained one or two things from this. Like, subscribe, and until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye.